Hi, I'm Tati. Welcome to my home garden playlist. This is the first of my gardening videos. I wanted to show you my backyard and some of the plants that I have here. I'd like to show you my jasmine, introduce you to my baby lemon tree, and some purple aster. A gorgeous mum. It's a typical fall flower. Here's a bright green foxtail. And here are my two furry gardening helpers. First is Casey, a great Pyrenees mix with a keen nose for sniffing out trouble. And then there's Josie, an energetic lab mix who's always obedient and ready to chase off any crows and squirrels. Together, they bring so much joy and excitement to gardening. You'll find their videos on this channel and meet their new puppy brother. Back in the background, you can see our raised garden with jalapeno peppers, sweet potatoes, yellow squash, tomatoes, and a few other things. Here are some herbs and flower garden that I've started. There's my oregano. I'm also growing roses and some rosemary, citronella, and a few other things that I'm experimenting with. Here's another area of my backyard. I have a grapevine and some more jasmine growing. It's all mixed up together for now. It's like I'm just trying different things. But here's this amazing rosemary plant. Look how beautiful, and it smells incredible. In the following videos, I will focus on each plant and my challenges with each one, which ones I prefer and which ones I'm pretty sure that I would like to stay away from. Subscribe to get the follow-up videos to learn gardening from scratch with me. Leave your comments and your questions, and I can learn from you. My next video, I will show you the seeds that I have put down this year in my flower garden. Question for you: which scented flower has given you great results? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.